All right, so practice problem 1 says the sum of two numbers is 51 and the difference is 31. That's two different equations, right? Sum means addition. Difference means subtraction. So if I add these two numbers, I get 51. So my first equation is x plus y is 51. And then my second equation says find their difference. So it's x minus y equals 31. So that was the first step. Could you find the two equations? If you couldn't, go back and make any changes that you need to. And we'll go to the next slide to finish. So, what's the larger number? So now we just have to solve it and see what's bigger, the x or the y. So I'm going to rewrite my system. When I add them, I get 51. When I subtract them, I get 31. So for this one, all of the coefficients are 1. So you can decide, do I want to get rid of x or y? I don't like that negative y, so I want to get rid of that. So I'm going to eliminate my y's. You can do whatever you want. We'll get the same answer. So if my signs are different, that means I add. I'm adding these equations together. 1 plus 1 is 2. 51 and 31 is 82. This is a one-step equation. So I divide to get x equals 41. So to figure out y, I'm going to plug it into the first equation. Instead of x, I put 41. And this math is really easy, right? 41 plus what is 51? I did it in my head, it's 10. But if you want to show the steps, we get y equals 10. What is the larger number? X is the larger number. And then I'll just put it's 41. There's probably a better way to write that sentence, but I want to know what the number is in the answer. I think I gave you, nope, that's it. So that's it for practice problem 1. We're going to do one more, and then we're going to pause for today. And then tomorrow we'll do practice problems 3 and 4.